Something else that I wanted to share with you guys over here at zoom.earth is where I confirm the data that you're about to see. What I was looking for over here at Zoom Earth was the presence of fog, especially in the nighttime sky during the overnight hours or late at night. I've had several people here in the last few days, especially the last 3 days, send me videos once again of this mysterious fog. This first video is an extreme example of very dense particulate fog in the nighttime sky, but as you can see over here at zoom.earth, at the time the video was taken, there was no fog on the map. Check this out. This video has narration by Nikki.
Guys, what is this? This is not normal. It is 3:30 in the morning. And I looked on my outside cam and I was like, what in the world? And there's a strange noise over here. This is straight up into the trees. Okay? That is like crazy. These are you can't even see my plants, my trees in front of me. Like a foot and a half. My lemon trees. See it barely? I don't know what this is. It looks like baby powder to the naked eye, and it looks like it's snowing straight down in between. I don't understand what I'm looking at. It's not fog. It's not pollen, guys. If it was, it wouldn't look like this.
Completely baffled by what she was seeing in the middle of the night in Georgia. And yes, it almost does look like baby powder floating in the sky. I've received a flurry of reports here in the last 72 hours of this mysterious fog. We saw a flurry of this mysterious fog a few months ago. Well, it looks like it's back. And here's example number 2 out of central New York. I went to zoom.earth, central New York. No evidence of any type of fog that you're about to see in this video. Look at how thick that fog is by Rodney out of central New York at midnight on the night of May 8th, last night. And again, like the video we saw out of Georgia, this almost looks like baby powder. Video number 3 out of northeastern Oklahoma. I came over here to Zoom Earth to verify either way if there was fog or not fog, and this was the only location where there looked like there might be the presence of fog. Here's the video footage that was sent in from northeast Oklahoma by Chris B., also on the night of May 8th at 2 a.m. Check that out. Activated his outdoor security camera. Almost looks like it's snowing. And this is several hundred miles from Georgia, several hundred miles from New York, and the next location is out of Arkansas. And you can see I came over here to Zoom Earth. There's no evidence of fog, not even any clouds in the sky on this night. But look at the video from the ground. Activated her outdoor security camera. Lori C. on the night of May 7th, 2025 at 11 p.m. Video footage out of Jonesboro, Arkansas. And Lori said that this had a smell that was similar to model airplane glue. I've never smelt fog that smelled like model airplane glue. Again, over here at Zoom Earth, no evidence of fog. Check out the video footage from the ground, though. Very dense fog on the morning of May 5th of 2025 at 7 a.m. Video footage sent in by Mags as she was driving down the road, and visibility was probably limited to less than a quarter of a mile because of the dense fog that was not on the Zoom Earth map. Showed clear skies. Video number 6 sent in by Out to Lunch. May 8th of 2025. Not sure of the location, as they didn't share that with me, but you can see visibility in this video's down to about 150 yards. Once again, another example of very thick fog, and most of those examples were not showing up over here on zoom.earth.